Hello everyone, welcome back to Herbie's Garage. Today I'm working on my 2022 KPR 200, and I had a viewer request that I do a video on showing how to adjust the idle. He said his idle was only idling at about 1200 RPM, and you need it to idle at about 1500 RPM whenever it's fully warmed up. Don't make this adjustment until your bike's warmed up. But see, I have my seats removed. I have this side panel removed so you can see what we're doing down here. And if you take your throttle, turn your throttle, you'll see the throttle cable pulling the throttle. Now, if you look down in here, look very closely where the throttle's moving, you can see a stop and it's hitting a screw, okay? Well, that screw has a head right here above the cable, and all you have to do to make the adjustment is tighten it, turn to the right, and that will increase the RPM. If you turn it to the left, like you were loosening it, it will lower the RPM. Okay, that's all I needed to show you today. Thanks for watching.